So today we are getting ready to redo my second floor bathroom. So I'm about to show you all what it's looking like now, and yeah, we're gonna just do the transformation. I'm hoping this doesn't take me more than 2 days. I don't have everything that I need, so I have like some wallpaper and stuff that I want to put up, so I'm gonna see how far I get with that. And then I need to add like shelves and get like shower curtains and all that stuff. So I want to just do what I can right now, and then tomorrow I'll get the rest of like the decor stuff and we can put that up. But this is what it's looking like. All right, y'all. So this is my bathroom. This is my guest bathroom on the second level. It is pretty basic for the time being. I'm not gonna do a crazy renovation. I do have plans, but I just really want to get this to look like something. Okay, so we're gonna add some decor pieces. I bought some wallpaper that I want to put at least on this wall over here. I'm gonna see if I have enough to do the whole entire wall, but if not, whatever, we're just gonna do it here. I'm gonna remove or replace this curtain rod. We're gonna take all these old gray stuff I had from my old apartment out. I do want to switch these knobs to black. And then we have some pictures and stuff that I want to add to the walls. I also have a lot of beauty products that I need to continue to unpack and go through. So I really want this, yeah, there's nothing back here either. I really want this bathroom to feel like a hotel bathroom. Like I want it to feel like you're in a hotel. So that's what we're gonna kind of give it, this luxe vibe. I do have some picture frames that I picked up, just right over here. So we'll see. I have a lot of stuff. So let's start the process of getting this wallpaper on the wall. Okay, so it is the next day. Last night, actually, after I went to the gym, actually a little bit before and after I went to the gym, I went and stopped at a couple places to get some things for my bathroom. So we are about to do a little haul. And then I am going to take you all upstairs just to kind of show you the vision. And then I'll probably do the full tour or whatever in a separate video. It depends on how long this video is going to be. So I'm going to show you a couple things of what I got. So the first store that I went to was Marshall's. Marshall's always comes through, okay? Always comes through with the stuff that I'm looking for the low. I love shopping at Marshall's, okay? So the first thing I got was, again, I mentioned I wanted my bathroom to feel like a spa or a hotel. Like I'm really going for this hotel luxe vibe, but hotel with a little bit of character, okay? So of course I got some white washcloths. These were $7 and it came with 5, so it was 5 for $7. And just really simple. I'm thinking I can roll these up and display them nicely on my shelf in the bathroom, so that's exciting. I also got some oversized bath towel. I got 5 of these, and so these are the hotel collection, and I believe these were $7.99 a piece, so not too bad, and they are a pretty good size towel, so exciting. I also got a shower curtain. This shower curtain this actually came from Walmart. This is kind of like a boho type. I wanted it to be black and white. Black is it's turning out not necessarily to be the dominant color, but the black is really like the pop, I guess, of color. The bathroom for the most part is like neutral and white, and then black is like the, you know, with a little bit of black. So I thought this would be nice because it kind of, this is more of like a linen texture, and it's not necessarily white, it's more of like a cream. It's a mixture between like white and tan, I guess, or white and cream. I don't know, it's more cream, okay? It's more cream. It's not like a pure white, but I like, I don't know, I just feel it gives me kind of like Scandinavian-esque, which is kind of like the theme of my house a little bit. So, and I love the tassels. I just think it adds a little bit of character, so I'm excited for that. This actually was, I think, maybe $20 at Walmart. And then I just got a curtain liner. This was $5. This came from Marshall's. And I got a simple hooks, the shower curtain hooks. They're just black. And these were $5 as well. Came from Marshall's. The next thing that I got from Marshall's, oops, is this really cute, what is this? A soap dispenser, soap holder, like liquid soap holder. It says Paris on it. I just thought this was cute. I like the way that it looks. It seems very like elegant and, you know what I mean? Just something simple. The sink, I showed you guys before, the sink in my bathroom. It's pretty small. Like the bathroom itself is a pretty small, basic bathroom. So I don't want to crowd my counter. So I didn't want to do a whole bunch of trays and stuff. But I did find this. So this I got from Marshall's. This was $6, and it was on clearance. A lot of this stuff was on clearance. So this was on clearance. It was $6, and I thought it was like really cute. Give an upscale type of vibe. And then this was $5. So I saw this. This is kind of like a soap tray, but I love the texture here, okay? The texture here is so pretty, and it matches some of the previous things I had gotten from my bathroom. So I thought like this would be cute to just sit this on here like this, so that this doesn't just sit on like the white countertop by itself. It adds a little height, a little texture, just gives it a little, you know, zhuzh it up a little bit. I think it's super cute. And then I also found this trash can, which was on sale, on clearance for $10, matte black. So I'm really kind of accessorizing with black, but not too much. My initial thing was to have like all my fixtures and stuff be black, but I just decided I didn't want to change my fixtures right now. Like I didn't want to put out more money than I really had to. So I'm trying to work with what I have. So yeah, so this came from Marshall's, black. I like, again, the texture here. So it's a trash can. It does what it needs to do. So yeah. Okay, so the last thing I got from Marshall's is this shelf. Now, okay, let me just show you and then I'll explain. So I saw this shelf. I actually saw this the past, like, I've been eyeing the shelf for the past week, okay? I love the shape of it. This was not my original thought when I was thinking about a shelf in the bathroom. I think I was going for just like a plain white shelf, right? But when I was looking, I ran to Target looking for shelves. They were too expensive, and they weren't the length that I needed it to be. And yeah, I wasn't finding what I was looking for. I went on Amazon. They were also, I mean, they weren't necessarily that expensive, but it just wasn't given. It wasn't given. What I love about this, I like that this was different. First of all, this was the only one that they had at Marshall's, and I'm drawn to like one of one, okay? You know, I'm a very unique person. Like, I don't know, it's something, if it's the only one or the last one, like I have to grab it. I don't know what it is, but it was the only one sitting on the shelf, and it's been like that for the past week, okay? I like the cleanliness of like the lines. Like, it's very simplistic, but it's also, I don't know, it's just different. You don't see too many shelves that look like this, but it's it gives what I needed to give. I was unsure about the color, but I think the color is actually really pretty. Yeah, the color is really pretty, and I just like, I'm curious to see what I can do with it. And the other thing that I liked about it, one, this shelf was actually $19, okay? And then two, if you look on the back, you just hang it like a picture frame. You just put the screw in and you just hook it. Like, I need something simple, okay? I don't want to have to drill any holes in the wall. I don't want to have to do any anchors. I don't want to have to do all these things. Like, let me just hook it. That's it. That's all I want to do. So I love that for me, okay? So I'm super excited. I'm gonna try this out on the wall against the wallpaper, just to see, and try to style it with some of the stuff that I already have, just to see, am I okay with this color? What I do like about the color, my desk in my office, the office is right next door to the bathroom. So my desk in my office is a wood type color, but it's more on the white side. It's like a light grayish white color. So this, it's not the same color, but I like the touch of wood textures. Like I mentioned, if in my previous video, in terms of like the trends that I want to incorporate into my home, I mentioned that I liked having wood textures, and I didn't have anything really wood in my bathroom. So I think this kind of checks the box. So I'm gonna try to see it as is. If I don't like it, I might just paint it white, but I really like the square of it. I just think it's really pretty. It's really pretty, it's really different, it's simplistic, it adds character to the bathroom. So, you know, it's still kind of giving this glam, luxury, upscale hotel vibe, but it adds a little bit of character because it's wood. So we'll see how it comes together, but I'm kind of excited about that. So that was from Marshall's. Next thing I got, this is actually from Walmart. So this is a towel rack. So you see I got my white towels for this purpose. I'm going to put this up in the towel rack. And as you can see, this is, the rack itself is actually like a chrome color. So yeah, this is chrome, so that's why I started thinking like maybe I need to change my idea a little bit, because the stuff that I was grabbing was chrome. But I think this is really cute. It gives me that spa vibe that I'm looking for, so I'm excited to see how that comes out. And then for the actual shower, I felt like I needed something to just organize, you know, like your shampoos, your shower gels and stuff for guests. Like, I'm not going to be using that bathroom or taking showers, but in the event that I do have guests, you know, I want to make sure that, again, the bathroom is like stocked with stuff, and which I have plenty of stuff, but I needed some sort of shelving to sit that stuff on it, because I don't want to sit it on the rim of the tub. And so again, I was at Walmart and came across this shelf. So this is actually like a glass shelf, and it's chrome as well. And so that's why I'm like, okay, the stuff that I started to get was chrome. I have chrome already in the bathroom, so instead of switching fixtures to black, I think I might just keep the chrome and just, you know what I mean, work up with the chrome, save me money, all that stuff. So that's what I'm thinking. But this is really cute. I like that. Sorry, I'm trying to show you guys. So if you look at it, it's pretty much like the shower rods. So all you do is just twist it and it locks into place, which I like, as opposed to the suction cup ones. I feel like they was a little cheap, and sometimes they don't always stick, okay? Suction cups are really hit or miss with me, especially. So that was one thing where I was like, let me maybe spend a little bit more to upgrade and get something like this, because I know that this is durable. And also too, I just really like the shelf, how it's just a single layer, there's no gaps, so products don't fall. Like, it's really just, and it's nice, it has a upscale type of appeal to it. So I'm actually really excited to put this in my bathroom. And again, it's chrome, it matches the chrome towel racks, it matches the chrome fixtures and stuff that I already have in my place. All right, so the last things that I have to show you is from HomeGoods. So the first thing that I want to show you is this toilet scrubber. It's matte black. Again, kind of matches like the trash can and the soap dispenser and everything. I thought this was cute. I was looking for a matte black one, but the reason why I picked up this one, because although it's simple, I really like the crystal holder here. It's so cute. It's really, really cute. Like, look at that. Ugh. This is what like set it apart. So that's why I got this. Super cute. I think this was probably like maybe $10 or less. I'm not exactly sure. Next, I was looking for, so I saw this too a couple of times on previous trips to HomeGoods, and I was like, okay, like I finally have a reason to get it, so let me try to find it in the bathroom. So the first thing I got was this. So this is so beautiful. It is so beautiful, okay? This is a vase. I love geometric prints. I love the textures. I love the depth. I love the lines. Like, I am obsessed with this vase. It's matte black, super cute. This I had just lying around, so I just tried to put it in there. I tried to take it out, y'all. I need to cut the stem. It's not working. Like, I can't take it out. But anyway, just ignore this for now. So I got this and thought this would look really nice as like a decor piece in the bathroom. And then, but I thought like maybe it's a little too big because again, y'all saw the sink. It's not a lot of space. I don't want to crowd the space. I don't want this to accidentally break because people are trying to like move around in it or whatever. So I saw this, got this, and then I saw another one which is similar. So this is actually shorter. So I'm like, this is perfect. Like, this is actually a better size for the size sink because it's shorter. It fits perfectly in the little alcove of the corner. It's still the same thing. So I'm like, okay, let me keep both because I can use this one in the bathroom, and maybe if I want to put this on the floor, I could, or I could just simply use this in another part of my house. So I really love, am obsessed with these vases. They're so cute. I like the shapes, like, y'all. And it is glass, or it's like ceramic glass, whatever. So if you drop this, it will break, okay? So that's why I gotta keep these safe. I don't, I'm not trying to have nice stuff. This is why I don't plan on having guests in here, okay? I don't plan on having parties. I don't plan on like doing too much. If I do something, it might be once a year, because I don't need nobody accidentally breaking my stuff, okay? So this is really cute. How much was this? So this was $19 for the little one, and then the bigger one was $24. So not bad, but yeah, I got these at HomeGoods. Super cute. So yeah, so I think that's it for the haul. There's of course other stuff that I already have, but I can show that a little bit later. I'm not sure how long this video is. I think the next step is for me to just start putting this stuff together. I still have a little bit more of the wallpaper to do in the bathroom. And then yeah, I'm gonna just start putting the stuff on the walls. I need to clean and everything. So I'm super excited. And there are a few more things I need to get. So I'll probably wait and save that stuff for the next video. And then I'm excited to do a full reveal of the bathroom. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave me a comment. Do you see the vision? Do you see where I'm going? Do you think it's gonna work? I don't know. I'm excited to see how it comes together, but I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.